In order to accurately graph these two functions, you're going to want to be using your graphing calculator for this question. So you can see f of x, which is 2x squared minus 8x plus 3. I plugged that in as y1, and we can see that that forms this parabola here. Now, to more easily plot it on the piece of paper, we can click the table. Remember how to do that is you press the second button and then graph. You can see table is that blue option there. And then it pops this lovely table open for you. So y1 is the function f of x. So we can see when x is 0, we get a y value of 3. So we can go ahead and plot that point. Next, when x is 1, we get negative 3. Then when x is 2, y is negative 5. It's going to be right here. And then 3, negative 3 is the next point. And then 4, 3. Okay, and then 5 and 13 would be off the grid. All right, so that's roughly what f of x is going to look like. Let's go ahead and label that. Okay, next up is g of x. So that's negative 2x plus 3. You can see I put that in the graphing calculator there, and it is the thicker line, this downward line going this way, and that is our y2 values. So let's quickly plot those points. So let's see, when x is 0, we have a y value of 3. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, we get negative 1. Oh, that was a little off. Let me draw that better there. When x is 3, so 3, negative 3. And then 4, negative 5. Okay, so that's going to form a straight line. And we can label that as g of x. Great, first part of the question done. Second part is asking for us to determine and state all values of x for which f of x is equal to g of x. In other words, when are they intersecting each other? And we can see that that is happening twice, right here and right here. So those are the points 0, 3, and 3, negative 3. But all they're asking for is the values of x. So we can finish off just by stating the answer to that is when x is equal to 0 and 3. All right, that's all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.